Hey there, you're watching Amitha Verma. Are you one of those that's wondering if you should even put out your holiday and Christmas decor this year? I know some of us love to go all out. The whole nine, Christmas trees all over our house, make it feel like the North Pole, just big, big Christmas. But what if you're just not in the mood this year? Or what if you're an empty nester and it's just a lot of trouble for very few people to appreciate? So should you totally abandon Christmas decorating this year? The answer to that is no. I want you to reimagine your coffee table, your buffet, your chest of drawers, your side tables to be opportunities where you can add a little grouping of Christmas decor and create that beautiful feeling. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now, my first tip is I want you to reimagine your Christmas florals. A lot of us have these really beautiful stems and florals that we use mainly in our tree and around our tree decor, maybe our wreaths or garlands. I have simply taken a collection of these and all throughout my shop and my home, simply arrange them in beautiful containers and vases to group all of these together and create a lot of Christmas joy. So to get started, I am going to pull out this really beautiful holiday container, and then you can simply arrange your stems in here, or if you want to make it a little easier on yourself, always hang on to your handy dandy craft paper to create a little bit of traction so you can arrange your stems exactly how you want them to fall in. Now that this is done, I'm just going to arrange this on my coffee table with a couple of other pieces of decor. And you can do the exact same thing on your coffee table, a buffet table, an end table, a nightstand, anywhere where you basically have a tabletop. Now I'm gonna continue adding a little bit more holiday decor to bring it all together and create a little bit of a grouping here. I'm just taking the color cues from what I already started with, this really beautiful snowy white. But even with snowy white, I still love to add in a little bit of gold. And then last but not least, I want to add in a holiday candle so it smells like the season. So in the past, you might have used these stems to fluff up your trees or your garlands. And here you can see how by grouping them in a really beautiful container, you can create a holiday floral arrangement and group them with a little bit of holiday decor to create a beautiful Christmas setup in your own home. Now, what if you secretly still want a Christmas tree, but you don't want to do all the work that's involved with putting up a Christmas tree? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you. You can kind of get a little bit of a sneak peek right behind me. Now, this is the perfect solution for when you want the sparkle and the magic of a Christmas tree, but you don't want to go all out. I love these mini countertop trees in all sorts of sizes. I did this a few years ago when I just didn't have the bandwidth to go all out in my own home. I found a tree just like this and put it in my kitchen in the corner, and it was just the perfect amount of magic and sparkle for me. Now you can take these smaller trees and put them in a beautiful container, just like I did with this bucket or a champagne bucket, anything to really glam it up a little bit. And what I love about these trees is they can easily, because of their size, stay on the floor or go on top of a piece of furniture. What I love about these trees is they come in all different sizes and shapes, from mini petite ones to larger ones that can be a centerpiece idea or the star of your show or just simply on the floor. So be sure to look out for little trees to give your home that Christmas feeling, especially when you don't want to pull out the big one. Now, what if you're okay with skipping the tree, but you really don't want to miss out on the sparkle of your ornaments? Well, let me show you exactly how you can enjoy them. A few years ago, I received a gift of some very beautifully hand-painted ornaments. They were so delicate, I thought they may get lost in my Christmas tree, and I did exactly what I want to share with you here today. I took those very special ornaments, I pulled out a beautiful bowl out of my china cabinet, and then I just arranged them on my table, on my side table, so I could enjoy them and the beautiful sparkle and joy that those ornaments bring. You can do the exact same thing in your own home. I pulled out a couple of different containers. one larger one with a little bit more volume, one that's a little bit higher to create some contrast and height. And here you can see these are very sparkly and very glammy. So just to balance it out, I pulled out one of my very rustic bowls to give it that contrast of rustic and glam and bring all of the styles together. Now, if you go for this, my best tip is to group the like ornaments together so you've got a little bit of a pop and impact. It's almost like a bouquet of flowers, but instead of a bouquet of ornaments. If you like the idea of the bowl with a little bit of bling inside of it, you can simply replace your ornaments with some beautiful golden objects like these pears or artichokes. So what if you don't even want to deal with ornaments this year? Well, I've got a solution for you too. So if you really want to go small but still enjoy the holidays in a big way, I would love to encourage you to look for one big special item to bring it all home. Take for instance this area that I'm working in right here. As you can see, there's no Christmas decor, and if you want to keep it simple and work with your decor, look for that one big thing to add in. So here you can see this really beautiful statement piece. And to make it feel really special, I'm just gonna rearrange the decor that I've got on my table. I'm not gonna change my decor, I'm working with my decor, but I'm just gonna group in some of the smaller items together to make some space, and then put this here on the other side to really make it that one big one and done holiday decor piece. You can do this exact same thing with the one big Christmas decor item that you may stumble upon, such as possibly a wreath, a nativity scene, a beautiful angel, or a cross just like this. So tell me in the comments your favorite part and what you think you might do in your own home this year. Is it the ornaments in a beautiful bowl, the Christmas floral stems in a gorgeous vase, or just an all-out one big showstopper in your home? If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That helps me know that you love this type of content. Then when you're done, be sure to hit the subscribe button and then ring the bell so you don't miss another one of our inspiring episodes. If you don't see those, be sure to hit the follow button. Then when you're done, head over to my blog where you can sign up to receive your design newsletter. Till the next time we meet, keep making your home amazing with your design gifts. Testing, audio, picture, sound, moving around. And my favorites are, hello? Hello? Yes, Bob. I think just get whatever they have ready made, it'll last. After that, wait, so you don't miss an episode. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the ring bell so you don't miss another, and the ring bell, is that the thing?